Welcome to Las Vegas Learning Kung Fu. This is Shifu JJ. Thank you for coming back for a second video of learning Kung Fu at home. If you want to learn Kung Fu and you don't have a big space, if you have something like this, then you can do it. So after the first video, we're learning the manner of martial arts. We take 报同学们好 you answer 老师好 and we're learning how to make a strong punch. So you have to make your finger tight. This way flat, and when you go punch, you can slowly and rotate power out of the surface. So like this, right? Also, you're learning how to push palm from the first video, right? So the palm rotate the same way and push. So the power out the outside part of your palm. Remember that? Today, let's continue to learning the long fist part 2. The combination of punches. Follow me now. So you're standing the side way, this way, right? So, and put your both hand beside you, and then you make your both hand become a fist very tight, and back to your waist. Then you step left. And slowly rotate your punch, you go 1, right? The power out, use the surface of punch. 2, and number 3 will be the same, rotate, power out. Very good. And number 4, come back your way. You already been learning so how to punch. So just follow the right technique and repeat. So now you follow me to start with the movement number 1 until the movement number 5. Put both hand on your waist and make step. Right? So you go punch 1 and punch 2 and punch 3 and number 4. Number 5. Both hand go down and straight all the way. Go up and cross to protect your head. And your eye just chin up towards the ceiling. And come back to your waist. Number 5 is a protection movement if someone to attack your head. So you go quick block. Just right over your head. Someone to go attack like that. So we gotta go boom, really quick to block so you're not gonna hit your head, right? Okay, very good. So from movement number 1 until movement number 6. Hand on your waist and step. So you punch 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. And number 6, so both hands to go open, go to both sides and strike in both sides. Your eye to follow your left hand. So for the movement number 6, from cross, start the power actually from your shoulder and your elbow. That's the movement first. That is the first, and then you go power, right? Strike both sides. So that's the power you go and right? And then you hide, quick, snap. So see this, go up. Now follow me from the movement number 1 until number 7. So you go punch 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So number 7, your right hand slowly back to your waist and twist all the way left and rotate out and pass your right. So once you do number 7, when you punch right, your left hand, same time, come back, rotate. You see, come back your waist. Number 6 to number 7. Come back slow and twist, and you do quicker, the same thing. So you go number 6, number 7, number 6, number 7. Right? Great job. So follow me from the movement number 1 until number 8. Go punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 from number 7. So you go flat all the way to lead the direction, go the other side, your right side. And then you exactly same like number 7. So your right hand come back and left hand rotate out and power out the surface of the punch. So for the number 8, you can see. So this is the direction. And this is the punch with the power. The same thing from both sides. So once you punch left and you come back this side. So you got lead direction aiming the target and make two short punch. And same thing, direction and punch, direction and punch, direction and punch. Yeah, all right, very good. So follow me now from the movement number 1 until number 9. So go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 7 and 8. And number 9, you move your left hand all the way front of you, and then you move punch. That's the number 9. Let's straight go to number 10. It's very simple. You just punch left. And also number 11 is simple. A. So come back here. So number 9, number 10, and number 11. And 12, come back your waist. So from 8, come back. And 9, and 10, and 11. And follow me from the movement number 1 until number 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Number 13. So both hands from your waist slowly rotate and twist. Double punch. So the technique exactly same like single punch. The single punch from your waist. So you rotate slowly and punch. Rotate and punch. The double punch, you should have double power. Double power with your waist. Let's say this again. So you go twist, 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 power. Shoulder relax, elbow relax. Same technique. Let's follow me now from movement number 1 until number 4. So you go punch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So number 14, we make that together. So you come back your waist and slightly step your left and double punch that way. So this technique is a little different than double punch straight. So once you go number 12 and you come back, right? So number 13, you make small step and you from side way. So your right hand is over your head from the top of your head, and this lower your head. So the power out, right, from the side of your waist. So once you go this, so very powerful. Once you twist your waist and then just push your heel a little bit like a boxer. So you go punch, right, from your waist and twist your shoulder left first, and this just over right side of your head. And see this, go, power, go, shift. Okay, great work. So now let's follow me from movement number 1 until number 15. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13 and come back and step left and 14. So after 14, your both hand come back your waist, become palm, and you just slightly twist and double hand push. So right hand just right side of your left hand. Number 14, and double punch and come back your waist, and you go double push palm, double push palm. Remember that. So the power out outside of your palm. See this, left, the right double palm, right? This shoot. And should follow me from the move number 1 until number 15 to achieve learning Kung Fu at home. Long fist, part 2. Ready? Put a hand on waist. And stop. Go 1. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 14. Push pump. Hand stop. Congratulations to achieve the 15 movement for punches combination in long fist. You did great work today. Thank you very much to following me to do learning Kung Fu at home, the part 2. So the part 3 is coming soon. We'll be learning more combination with the palms. So don't miss out. So with this program, you will achieve Kung Fu technique just in your home with a smaller space. Kung Fu and Wushu is my life. I enjoy it so much, but I want to pass this passion also to you. I want you loving something and sticking something and just do it. If you want to do something, you always find a way. If you don't, you will find excuse. Subscribe our channel and hit bell button. You don't miss out the next video. I love you all. I see you next time. So attention and bow. 同学们再见。You should answer me. 老师再见。Goodbye, student. You say goodbye, teacher. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.